Hello, welcome to this video. I'm Dave. Later on today I'm going to pick up another engine for my Fiesta, just another standard phase 1 1.6 engine. I'll talk about that later. Just for now I'm just going to take the front driver's side wheel off my Fiesta as the valve's leaking and take it through to the tyre centre to get a new valve fitted, and then I'll be packing my mondeo, putting the engine hoist in, etc., getting it ready to go and collect the engine. Bailey will be coming with me tonight. Yeah, so for now we'll just take this wheel off. As you can see, I've sprayed some soapy water in there. You can see the bubbles, the valve's leaking. I've just noticed the PSI of the tyre going down slightly the last couple of weeks. Yeah, so we'll just take this wheel off. Alright, so the wheel's in the boot with the mondeo, and I'll join you again in a little while. Yeah, so I got my valve changed on my wheel on my way back home to put that back on the Fiesta. £15! It's well expensive for a valve. This is why I like to do stuff myself on my car. That's one reason. I enjoy doing my cars, but yeah, that's so expensive, I think. Anyway, I'll join you again when I'm back home. Yes, I'm just going to wipe this tyre soap off and check the tyre pressure with my own gauge. I don't even know what I put in it. There we go, that's that job done. We'll get the mondeo ready now. Yes, we've got all this to get in the mondeo. The hoist in case there's no one there to help me lift it in. Sheet to keep the boot floor clean. Spanners to put the hoist back together, and I can take the legs off if need be once the engine's in, if there's not much room. Bit of board maybe to sit the engine on. So yeah, we'll crack on. Yeah, so we've got all that in there, ready for tonight. I've evicted Pink Panther. He's up there, so he doesn't turn into Black Panther. Yeah, so I'll catch up with you again just as we're setting off. While I'm in here, my little carport area, just gonna do a quick walk around of my vintage signs I've put up to show you. Yeah, so just moving around from the workbench along the back wall, the shell. I actually like how the screws are going rusty on my signs. Going along, we have the garage since 1987. I love the 87 part. I'm an 80s guy, I love the 80s. MOT waiting area, tattoo removal saw, Castrol GTX motor oil. I'm going around to the side, Coca-Cola. I drink loads of Zero Coke myself. There's my punch bag, which you'll have seen in some of my videos as I'm moving around. Esso, put a Tiger in your tank. NGK spark plugs, which I actually use NGK plugs. Ford parking only. I was actually talking the other day, this used to be on my Mondeo on the grill, and I changed grills. I was talking about how big that is. It's massive. I'm sure that was on my Mondeo, because I've not got one from anywhere else anyway. Dunlop tyre service. Genuine Ford parts. No trespassing. And another funny one, no stupid people beyond this point. But then going on to the other side, Coleman's Mustard, Hot Rod Garage, I love that one. I like them all. Del Auto Carbs. I like old steam trains, and I like disused railway lines as well, so I've got a couple of train ones. There's that one. That one Lindsay got me for my birthday, and this one she got me for my birthday. And we have, I like my old bikes as well, Rally, the Michelin Man, Rusty Nuts, which is actually the name right on the side of my Fiesta, Rusty Nuts. Another Rally one. Brake testing service, Michelin, Pirelli Performance tyres, which I've heard a lot of people refer to as ditch finders. And finally, I have this one in my shed, Dave's Tool Rules. Don't touch them, borrow them, move them, don't even look at them. And this is my much smaller Ford badge on the Mondeo, because I preferred this grill. This is off a Z-Tech. I preferred it without the grill part along the top, and I like how it sits in. Yeah, so we're in the car now. We've got Bailey with me over there in the passenger seat. So we're setting off to go and pick this engine up. Yeah, it's about 90-minute drive away from my house. It's just on the edge of the Yorkshire Dales where we're going. So hopefully all will go to plan and we'll get it in the back of the Mondeo and get back home safe and sound. Yeah, we're nearly there. We just stopped off some sausage and chips. There's mine on my lap. There's Bailey over there. Well, the sausage and chips was very nice. Because we were sat at the side of the road eating them, a 4-door Mark II Escort went past, so gave him the thumbs up. And then a old Triumph, I'm not sure what it was, went past. It was a Triumph, but I don't know what model Triumph. So yeah, we're like I say, we're nearly there now. We'll catch up with you in a bit. Yeah, so we've got it in the Mondeo. The Mondeo's been a bit of a workhorse van today. About to take the hoist a bit further to bits. There's the stand down there to take them off because I couldn't get it in past here. The bloke I bought the engine off was very helpful, helped me lift it in and that. So yeah, happy with that. We just pulled in a lay-by on the way home, so I'm not bothering the bloke that I bought it off hanging around his house. We've got it tied into this seat mount here, wedged in with my toolbox and the hoist. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do. Keep getting different ideas. First thing probably is the head, rebuild the head for mine. Go through different ideas, maybe some cams, definitely porting it. And then I just keep getting ideas which I vary from, so I'll have to make my mind up. Maybe a shot of NOS, maybe supercharger, I don't know, we'll see. But I know I've said in previous videos that maybe do a 1.7 Puma or an ST170, but I do actually want to try and keep it as a 1.6 and just get some faster quarter mile, 8th mile times. So this is what we're doing for now. And there's Bailey running around. Steady away drive with all this weight in the back. I've already lowered 50mm before I put all this in. So we're back home now. I'll continue this video in the morning when it's lighter, but there's the engine on the floor with the hoist. Obviously the car's empty. Yeah, so we're into a fresh day now. It's a bit lighter. And the Mondeo's back as a car now instead of a van workhorse. And now we can see better in the light. There's the engine box and my engine hoist. What I'm going to do is start a new video when I start stripping this down. It'll be a slow project because it's dependent on funds, etc. So I'm going to end this video now. If you enjoyed it, thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. Please subscribe to see new videos coming in from me and Bailey and the rest of the family. Thank you for watching.